Hi guys, it's Ray here, the founder of the E-Commerce Lifestyle Academy. I hope you're fitting well. So if you're someone who's looking to get involved in the e-commerce world, or maybe you've already started and you're not achieving your dreams and goals, you have 1,000,000% come to the right place. Now in a moment we're going to explain how the e-commerce lifestyle works, how we can help you, and what the partnership programs below are all about. I'll also guarantee as well, some of the partnership programs below are completely unique to the E-Commerce Lifestyle Academy. You will not find anywhere else on the internet. Also as well, to watch the videos, and they're only about 25 minutes long, we don't ask for your email address. You can go and watch them without having to add your email address. That's because we've got no interest to bombard you with emails. I hate it when people do it to me, so I'm certainly not going to be doing it to yourself. Also, I really recommend that you click the About Me link above if one of those programs below, one of the partnerships below, float your boat. Click the About Me link above, and you'll go through to a short video, and it will explain basically who I am. So you can do some due diligence on me, what I do, why I set up the E-Commerce Lifestyle Academy, and more importantly, why I'm prepared to help yourself. So go and check out that quick video. It'll really give you a better indication of why I'm doing this, and more importantly, as I say, why we can help you. Now, before I explain about the below, I just want to quickly say as well, I honestly believe that everybody should have their own e-commerce website and brand. Even if you don't do it with ourselves, I recommend you get your own e-commerce website. Reason being is, okay, first of all, it allows you to earn an income doing something that you enjoy doing and that you're passionate about. I've been so lucky that I've earned my income through e-commerce doing something that I absolutely love doing. Also as well, once everything's set up correctly, you can actually earn an income 365 days a year, 7 days a week on complete autopilot. So you can be holidaying and still making money, which is cool. And also as well, it allows you to make money while you sleep. Now my background was I was a professional goalkeeper in soccer or football, to choose the proper word, and I actually make more money now while I sleep than what I did as a professional goalkeeper, by the way. And that's because in the real world, when you stop working, your income stops. Whereas in the e-commerce world, once everything's set up correctly and the systems are doing all the work for you, even when you're sleeping, it doesn't stop. So you're still making sales while you sleep, and I'll guarantee that you'll go to bed of a night and the next morning you wake up richer because you're making sales while you sleep. It's super obviously exciting to wake up each morning to see how much you've earned when you've been asleep. Okay, so what are the partnership programs all about below? Well, the first one is basically what it says on the tin. It's our done for you partnership. So basically, we do everything for you. So this is ideal for someone who's in a business or a job and they're really busy, but you understand, obviously, e-commerce can be very lucrative, and you basically want that additional income, or maybe they want to set up a business for their family, etc. Now, obviously, we still work with you, but we do everything for you. We take all the hard work out, and then we basically give you a ready-made business that can go on, obviously, and make yourself, obviously, a lot of money in the weeks, months and years to come. The second partnership program is what we call our Done With You partnership. So that's for you guys who absolutely hate your job that you're in, or maybe the business that you've started, and you want to get into the e-commerce world, and you've got a bit more time on your hands, so you've got your evenings free or maybe your weekends free, and we basically work with you. So we give you everything that you need to basically build your six-figure e-commerce website and brand, but we also hold you by the hand as well. We will not leave your side until you're earning at least 6 figures in sales. That's either a year or a month, depending on how hard you want to work. Then the last one that we've got as well is our membership site and our training program. So again, this is ideal for you guys that maybe you're not 100% sure if the e-commerce world is for you, so you want to maybe just check it out a bit, or you're someone who's very comfortable working on your own. You can get all the videos, etc., and you can basically just run off and just develop your own e-commerce empire, because these videos will walk you through step by step how you can go and build a 6-figure e-commerce empire. And also, not only do you get access to the membership site and the videos, but you'll also get a 1-hour strategy call with myself. So we'll set a game plan, obviously, and I'll help you, obviously, get things going. And also as well, on top of that as well, you can come and attend as many of our Zoom calls as you want, even if it's 3 years down the line. We're always on the Zoom chats, so you'll get lifetime help and support. And it doesn't matter what partnership program you pick, by the way, you get lifetime help and support via Zoom meetings, because we're always doing Zoom meetings, and we will never leave your side no matter which partnership you choose until you're earning at least 6 figures in sales. So you've got no excuse to fail. Also, last but not least as well, above you'll see a link for a live Zoom. Once a month we do a live Zoom for about 10 or 12 people, so it's not one of these Zoom conference calls, if you want to call it, where there's 1,000 people on and you never get your questions answered. There's only about 10 to 12 people on, and we'll guarantee by the time you it's a full day, but by the time you finish the full day, you'll know exactly how to go and build a 6-figure e-commerce website, business and brand. And not only do you get the full day with ourselves, you'll also get access to the membership site, all the training videos as well, then also access to the live Zoom calls, and you can attend them for as long as you want. So again, it's a complete no-brainer. So I hope that helps, guys. Okay, yeah, again, as I say, I really recommend everyone and anyone get involved in e-commerce. Even if you don't get involved with ourselves, guys, it'll be the best choice that you make. But go and check out the partnership programs below. See which one is best for you. They're only about 20-25 minutes long each video, guys, so you can obviously watch them all in one evening. See which one's best for you. Maybe the Zoom obviously comes onto our next Zoom conference call as well. Maybe that could be for you as well. Go and check that out. But as I say, hopefully you decide to join the e-commerce lifestyle, and I will look forward to personally speaking to you, whether it's Zoom or personally meeting you in my warehouse or whenever I'm on my travels, because I'm not someone who hides behind a laptop. I'm physically out there, as I say, personally speaking to the people that we're helping, because as I say, we were not going to leave your side until you're earning at least 6 figures in sales, so you have no excuse to fail. So I hope to see you on the inside. All the very best.